Welcome to Health is for Life and our informative video on the Paleo Diet. If you're looking to learn more about this popular diet and its potential benefits, you've come to the right place. We've put together an in-depth overview of the diet, including its key principles, food restrictions, and who may want to avoid it. Our goal is to provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision about whether the Paleo Diet is right for you. With its focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods and a reduction in processed and refined foods, the Paleo Diet has been gaining popularity as a tool for improving health and losing weight. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn everything you need to know about the Paleo Diet. This video is a must-watch for anyone who wants to achieve optimal health and wellness. Introduction. Overview of the Paleo Diet. The Paleo Diet, also known as the caveman diet, is a dietary approach that follows the foods consumed by our ancestors during the Paleolithic era. Importance: due to the fast-paced lifestyle, many people are opting for diets like the Paleo Diet to enhance their health and well-being. However, with a vast amount of information available, it can be confusing to understand the Paleo Diet and determine if it is suitable. Purpose: this video aims to provide an in-depth understanding of the Paleo Diet, including its definition, history, key principles, and comparison with other diets. By the end of the video, you will have a clear idea of the Paleo Diet and if it is right for you. The grand overview in a sentence: the Paleo Diet is a popular dietary approach that emphasizes the consumption of whole, unprocessed foods and has the potential to provide health benefits. What is the Paleo Diet? The Paleo Diet focuses on eating foods that were available during the Paleolithic era, including meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. The Paleo Diet was introduced in the 1970s by Dr. Walter L. Fucklin, who believed that modern diets were responsible for health problems. It has gained popularity for its emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods and potential health benefits. Key principles: the Paleo Diet restricts processed and refined foods, promotes nutrient-dense, whole foods, and emphasizes foods high in fiber and low in carbohydrates. Comparison: the Paleo Diet is often compared to the ketogenic diet, which also emphasizes healthy fats and protein while limiting carbohydrates. The main difference is that the Paleo Diet includes a wider range of foods, including fruits and vegetables, while the ketogenic diet restricts them. Advantages of the Paleo Diet: improved health. The Paleo Diet can improve health by focusing on whole, unprocessed foods and avoiding processed and refined foods. It may result in improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and improved blood sugar control. Weight loss. The Paleo Diet can also lead to weight loss by emphasizing nutrient-dense, whole foods and avoiding processed and refined foods. Increased energy. The Paleo Diet can result in increased energy levels and improved mental clarity, which may be due to the consumption of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Better digestion. The Paleo Diet promotes better digestion by emphasizing fiber-rich foods, such as fruits and vegetables, that support gut health and prevent digestive problems. The Paleo Diet and weight loss. So why is the Paleo Diet said to lead to weight loss? Let's look at 4 very good reasons why it does. 1. Nutrient-dense whole foods. The Paleo Diet emphasizes eating a variety of nutrient-dense, whole foods such as vegetables, fruits, meat, and nuts, and avoids processed foods, grains, and legumes. 1. By eliminating low-nutrient foods, this diet can help reduce the consumption of empty calories and promote weight loss. Protein-packed. The Paleo Diet is high in protein, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Research shows that high-protein diets can lead to greater fat loss compared to diets with lower protein content. Reduced sugar. The Paleo Diet restricts added sugars and processed foods, which can contribute to weight gain. By limiting these foods, the Paleo Diet can help regulate blood sugar levels and support weight loss goals. Fiber focus. The Paleo Diet includes fiber-rich foods like fruits and vegetables, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Eating a diet high in fiber has been shown to improve digestion and support weight loss efforts. Drawbacks of the Paleo Diet. Limited food options. One drawback of the Paleo Diet is the limited food options, restricting the consumption of many common foods, such as grains, legumes, and dairy. Nutrient deficiencies. By limiting certain food groups, the paleo diet may result in nutrient deficiencies. In particular, anyone following the paleo diet should ensure that they are aware that calcium, vitamin D, fiber, and iodine can all be scarce due to the small amounts found in most of the approved foods. You should consult a registered dietitian before embarking on a new diet, as everybody has different nutritional needs. Social challenges. The paleo diet may present social challenges, as many social events center around foods restricted on the paleo diet. Difficulty in following. The paleo diet can be challenging to follow, especially for those used to eating processed and refined foods. It may take time to adjust to the new way of eating and find new recipes. Newsflash. Attention all paleo diet enthusiasts. Get ready for a healthy and delicious week ahead with our latest release from Health is for Life. Introducing our weekly diet planner, fully compliant with the paleo diet. Enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner meals for 7 days, including some mouth-watering snack options in between. Plus, we've got a special treat for you, a step-by-step recipe with instructions on one of the dishes to follow along as you cook. Deliciousness guaranteed. Stay tuned, as we'll be posting this amazing resource in the next couple of days. Turn on notifications for our channel to stay in the loop and never miss a beat. Eating on the paleo diet. Approved foods. The paleo diet includes meats, fish, eggs, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds that are high in nutrients and offer a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 1. Meats. Grass-fed beef, bison, and chicken are great options for protein and healthy fats. 2. Fish and seafood. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats. 4. Vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes are all rich in nutrients and fiber. 5. Fruits. Apples, bananas, and berries are great sources of vitamins and minerals. 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are all great sources of healthy fats and protein. 7. Healthy fats. Olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil are all great sources of healthy fats. Restricted foods. Grains, legumes, dairy, and processed and refined foods are not allowed on the paleo diet, as they are typically high in carbs and low in fiber and nutrients, and may contribute to various health issues. 1. Grains. Wheat, corn, and rice are high in carbohydrates and can cause inflammation in some people. 2. Legumes, beans, lentils, and peanuts are high in carbohydrates and can also cause inflammation. 3. Dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt can be high in lactose, which can cause digestive issues for some people. 4. Processed foods. Artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and processed oils are all high in unhealthy additives and chemicals. 5. Added sugars. Table sugar and high fructose corn syrup are high in empty calories and can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Meal planning recommendations. Effective meal planning and preparation is crucial for successful adherence to the paleo diet. Having a variety of nutrient-dense foods on hand can prevent the urge to reach for processed options. Suggested meal options include grilled meats and veggies, roasted veggie-topped salmon, and nut-based snacks and smoothies. Who should avoid the paleo diet? Individuals with food allergies or intolerances. Those with food allergies or intolerances may find the restrictions of the paleo diet challenging. For example, someone with a nut allergy would not be able to consume almond-based products commonly used in paleo recipes. Health concerns. People with certain health conditions may also want to avoid the paleo diet. For example, those with a history of heart disease may need to consume more whole grains, which are restricted on the diet. Importance of consulting a doctor. Before starting a new diet, it's essential to speak with a healthcare professional, particularly if you have health concerns. Your doctor can evaluate your health history and current condition and determine if the paleo diet is safe and appropriate for you. Misconceptions about the paleo diet. Scientific basis debate. The scientific validity of the paleo diet is a topic of debate, with some experts saying it's not scientifically validated, while others believe its principles are based on sound scientific evidence, such as reducing processed foods and increasing nutrient-dense whole foods. Restriction criticism. Some criticisms of the paleo diet claim its restrictions are too stringent and may result in nutrient deficiencies. However, proponents argue that with proper meal planning and supplementation, these restrictions can be managed. Comparison with other diets. The paleo diet is often compared to popular diets such as the keto diet or Mediterranean diet, and it's essential to consider personal needs and preferences when choosing the right diet. Conclusion. Key points recap. This video has summarized the paleo diet's basics, including its advantages and disadvantages, food restrictions, and who should avoid it. Personal opinion. Although the paleo diet has its benefits, it's crucial to assess if it's the right choice for you. Consult with a healthcare professional, research the diet thoroughly, and make an informed decision based on individual needs and goals. Final thoughts. The paleo diet can be a useful tool for improving health and weight loss, but caution and careful planning are crucial. Your call to action. If you're considering trying the paleo diet, educate yourself on its principles and restrictions and work with a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe and appropriate for you. Thank you for watching this video about the paleo diet. We hope it was informative and helpful. Before the final important message about paleo, please subscribe and share. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family. Final remarks. Remember, when considering any new diet, it's essential to do your research, consult a healthcare professional, and make an informed decision based on individual needs. In the meantime, if you want to look at the recap of the 10 diets people are following today, you can follow the link here.